Have you ever wished to benefit from the burgeoning world of cryptocurrency without diving headfirst into the roller coaster of trading? You're not alone, and there's good news. Today we unveil a simple crypto income model tailored for those who prefer a calmer, more stable approach to growing their digital wealth. Imagine putting your crypto assets to work without the anxiety of market fluctuations. One promising method to achieve this is through cryptocurrency staking. If you're unfamiliar with staking, let's break it down. At its core, staking is the process of actively participating in the transaction validation process on a blockchain that uses the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. By doing so, you can earn rewards over time. To grasp the beauty of staking, envision it as putting your money into a savings account. Just like earning interest, staking allows you to earn a percentage of your holdings as a reward for helping to maintain the network. The best part? It doesn't require daily market analysis or constant decision-making. Once you've staked your coins, the network does the hard work for you. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore how to start staking. First, you need to own cryptocurrencies that support staking. Popular ones include Ethereum, when it transitions fully to proof of stake, as well as Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. Each of these projects boasts its own unique staking rewards and structures, so it's worth exploring which aligns best with your interests and expectations. Once you've acquired the right cryptocurrency, the next step is to choose a staking platform or wallet. Many exchanges offer staking services directly, making it as simple as holding your coins in your account. Alternatively, you can use dedicated wallets that allow you to stake your crypto securely. Each option has its pros and cons, such as different reward rates and ease of use. Taking the time to research which service best fits your needs can amplify the benefits you reap. But there's more to this model than just staking. Another avenue to consider is lending your cryptocurrencies. Through platforms like BlockFi and Celsius Network, crypto holders can lend their assets to borrowers and earn interest. This approach doesn't involve trading. Instead, it relies on supplying liquidity to the market, and in return, you're compensated with interest payments. It's a smart way to utilize assets you would otherwise simply hold. Lending cryptocurrency, similar to staking, allows you to maintain your principal while enjoying the benefits of passive income. However, it's essential to evaluate the risks and choose platforms with strong reputations and security measures. The world of crypto can be volatile, and safeguarding your interests should always be a priority. Now you might be wondering about the risks associated with these income strategies. With staking, the primary risk comes from market volatility affecting the value of your assets. It's crucial to pick projects with long-term potential. For lending, risks include platform security and borrower default. It's wise to start with smaller amounts and grow your exposure as you gain confidence. In conclusion, if the notion of trading seems daunting or simply doesn't align with your financial comfort zone, staking and crypto lending offer relaxing alternatives. They provide the opportunity to earn passive income without the requirement for constant vigilance over the volatile markets. While no approach is without risk, informed decisions and cautious steps can lead you to a fruitful experience. So, there you have it. A straightforward route within the crypto universe that doesn't rely on the nerve-wracking world of trading. For those seeking to enhance their wealth with a more hands-off approach, these methods present an enticing and viable solution. Happy staking, and may your digital investments flourish. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.